Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry. This one is going to need 5W20. Let's go ahead and replace the engine filter. Oh yeah, it's time. And here is the engine filter. And here is the part number right here. But before that, it's kind of dirty down there. Let's go ahead and vacuum it out. All right. And we could put this one in. All right. All right, let's go ahead and check the cabin filter. Okay. So undo the dampener and this two clip. There you go. There's the cabin filter door. You gotta pinch both sides to undo this. And here's the cabin filter itself, and there's a lot of stuff in there. So when you have this much stuff, you guys pull this out very gently. You don't want any of those stuff inside your motor because it's gonna create a noise. Oh, come on, don't. Ooh. There we go. Hopefully I didn't drop anything in there. Yeah, this is the cabin filter. Here is the cabin filter and a part number. And we're also adding this 3G Fresh. This thing is gonna give you a really nice smell, and it's just gonna kill the bacteria. Some other customer doesn't like it. Most customer does like it. Then we're gonna apply some over here too. Then when you guys install this filter, there is an arrow here. It's gonna be the airflow. The arrow is supposed to be pointing down. And just go ahead and install this right there. And install the lead. Install the dampener. And don't forget this two stopping clip. Okay. Then verify your glove box operation. It's pretty smooth. This is your engine undercover. You do have an access here for your engine filter and here for your drain plug. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove it so I can show you guys a lot better. Oh, that thing fell easily. There's one more, but can't hold this anymore. All right. Now we're gonna use 10 mil. Oh, there's water in my forehead. All right. Woo. Okay, so here is your filter, and here is your drain plug. We're gonna use 17 millimeter. Wow, this one is over torque. See the gasket? Then I'm gonna use this tool to pick it up. No mess, right? There we go. I'm gonna put this one here so we can see a lot more. All right. Oops. I'm not gonna go ahead and add pressure here because I'm going to replace them as well. Yeah, this one is not too bad, but this one is bad. This one, do like 4/32. Also this one is worse, probably 2/32. Yeah, this vehicle is getting a new tire as well. All right, yeah, this guy is like smashed. Oh boy, can't even pull it with my finger. Oh my goodness. Just gonna go cut it this way. Oops. Okay. There we go. Come on. There we go. New gasket for you. And torque this guy to the spec. Cool. This guy. I almost made a mess. Here is the engine oil filter, guys, and here is the part number. Right, guys, so I did add a little bit of oil in here, so when we start the engine we get something to begin with, right? Okay. It's tight. This one is clean. Oh yeah, I clean it pretty good. Wipe it down. Alright guys, everything is clean. Torque this to spec. This one is tight. Alright, let's move on. Oh yeah, you gotta hook this up. My light is going down. Okay. All right, much better. Oops. There's a lot of clips. Okay, what do we know, buddy?
Well, I don't really know what he means by a connector. There's only two connectors, a fucking level sensor and a connector for the fucking motor.
Well, I don't know. So I think stick with your plan that, you know, you're a lube tech today and
Freaking Victor was here. I just pull it into the flat bay and I'll start tearing shit apart.
yeah, but you know,
I have two other fucking bays.
sure. So yeah, don't spend too much time on that one. Figure out later. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and add some fluid in here. Whoa. Get out of there. Let's go ahead and start the engine. Right there. And let's go ahead and reset the maintenance light. Oops. Maybe if I don't have the light, you guys can see it right there. So we are in the user settings. Oops. Then go down all the way to convenience. Press OK. Service interval. Then press reset. Press yes. Awesome. Now we're back to 5,000 miles and 182 days. Sweet. I forgot the sticker. Let me go grab it real quick. Okay. So I got my new sticker. Right there. Oops. And get rid of this. Cool. Turn it off. And let's go ahead and check the fluid level. Alright, let's go ahead and check the engine fluid level. By the way, I did let the engine sat for about just 2 minutes. And let's go ahead and check the fluid level. Alright guys, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We are good. Alright. Now let's go ahead and replace the wiper blades. Okay guys, so we have to put this one on the service mode. Okay, so basically what you do here is just cycle the key on and off, press and hold the miss button for 3 seconds. There you have it. Put this one here because you never know. There we go. Okay guys, so here is the driver's side. Okay. It's not seated properly, I can feel it. Oh no. Oh, it's in there. Yeah, it's in there. Next one will be the driver's side. And here is the part number. All right. Awesome. We're all done. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.